Hello student, this is your Nidhi ma'am. Student, in the previous video, I had already described how to insert a table, how to insert a rows and column and resizing the table on the PPT slide. In this video, I am going to describe how to delete a rows and column, splitting, merging, changing the table style, border color, shading and so on. Let's go for this. First topic is deleting a rows and column. To delete a rows and column, firstly go to the layout tab and click on a delete button. Whenever we click on a delete button, the drop down menu will appear. Select any one option according to your choice, just like a delete column, delete rows and delete table also. Next topic is splitting the cell. First of all, what is a splitting a cell? What is the mean of a split cell? Splitting the cell means dividing a cell into two or more part. Means a single cell को हम कैसे divide करते हैं multiple cell में. Splitting cell is a similar to adding a rows or column, but it all takes places in one cell. This is a process of splitting the cell. To splitting a cell, follow the given step. Place the cursor in the cell that you want to split. Then go to the layout tab and click on a split cell option, which is present on a merge group. Look at here, split cell option जो कहाँ present होता है आपका merge group में. Okay. Whenever we click on a split cell option, the split cell dialog box will appear on the slide. Type the number according to your need, number of columns, number of rows and click on a OK button. Your selected cell will be split. Okay. Next topic is merging the cell. Merging the cell means combining two or more cells into a single cell. Merging cell is the part of presenting the data in an understandable manner. It is a way to group the data under similar heading or merging data across more than one cell. Merging cell is a function in a database software that allows multiple adjacent cells to combine into a single larger cell. This is a process of a merging cell. To merge the cell, follow the given step. Select a cell that you want to be merged and go to the layout tab and click on a merge cell option, which is present on a merge group. Look at here, it is a merge cell option which is present on a merge group. Selected cell will be merged into a single cell. Clear? Next topic is formatting the table. Formatting means to arranging the data in a such manner that it looks nice and is easily understandable by the reader. In this topic, we can change the style, size and color of the font used in our tables. We can also add the border and shading to the table. To formatting a table style, this is the steps for the formatting of a table style. Whenever we insert a table, our table style is applied by the default. Different table style can be viewed on opening the data design tab. Select a table whose style you want to change. Firstly, we have to select the table, then click on a drop down button of a table style. Look at here is a table style. To access a more table style, to apply any one style, simply click on any one. Your selected table will be changed on a selected style. Next is changing the table shading. We can change the shade of a table or particular cell. To change the shading, follow the given step. Select the table and go to the design tab. Click on a shading button. Look at here, shading button. Select a desired color from the given shade. It will be applied to the selected table. Okay. Aligning text in a table. Aligning means to placement of the data. In MS PowerPoint, we can aligning the data into 3 different ways: align left, align right, and align center. If you select the table and click on the left align, the data inserted in the table will be aligned to the left. Likewise on the selecting center and right align option, the data in the table is aligned towards the center and right respectively. Next topic is applying border to the table. Follow the given step to apply the border into selected table or cell. Firstly, select the design tab. Click on a border button option in the table style group. Select the border according to your choice. Look at these options: no border, all borders, outside border. There are several borders are presented at the border style. According to your choice, we'll click any one. स्टूडेंट, इस वीडियो में मैंने अप्लाइंग बॉर्डर टू द टेबल तक कंप्लीट किया. फर्दर टॉपिक्स मैं आगे के वीडियो में आपको कंप्लीट करूँगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस.